This is a major breakthrough for bonk. Let me show you why. As you can see on this bonk chart, bonk just broke an interesting descending triangle. This descending triangle could have been a continuation pattern towards the downside, and bonk have been trading on a downtrend since bonk did this last low high. Bonk was launched around 15 on Binance, to be precise, 15 December 2023. You can see the highest high bonk did around 4030, 0.04030, and look at another highest high, all-time high, around 5,000, 0.05000. And since then, bonk did low high, low high. And there's something we need to observe. Irrespective bonk is trading on a downtrend, bonk are still on a bullish activity. This is lowest low of bonk. This is low high, another low high, another low high, another low high. Bonk have not done low low in a macro view. Bonk is still on, irrespective of what bonk is doing. I consider bonk to be bullish. But let me show you a more detailed explanation why I consider bonk to be bullish. You can see this macro support. This has been a resistance. Since bonk broke this resistance around 18th of February 2024, bonk have been trading on an uptrend. And bonk was able to retest this support, trying to break below it, but managed to hold within 12th and 18th of April 2024. And since then, bonk did another high low, but a significant push towards the upside. After this high low, bonk did around 28th May 2024. Bonk have been trading on a downtrend, but still bullish. Yeah. The down part of this triangle is 24th of June 2024. This could have been a continuation pattern towards the downside. There's other few things to observe in bonk charts, in bonk technical analysis. Look at bonk also started another meso triangle here. One is macro. Look at the macro triangle from 28th May 2024 and down part 26th June 2024. Look at this macro triangle. Now this descending triangle is a continuation pattern towards the downside. A new meso triangle. Look at what part of this triangle is 21st July 2024, and that part is still the same with that micro 25th of June, 26th of June. You can see this upper part of this symmetric triangle got broken and retested. And you know when a trend goes broken and retested, it's a push up towards the break side. If it broke towards the downside, the push continues towards the downside, but this broke towards the upside, we will be expecting more push up. And not only that, this support, a macro support that have played a significant role in bonk chart and technical analysis, you will see bonk was able to retest the support, and this support is holding. It's holding effectively, efficiently. Not only that, bonk did a double bottom pattern. It's a bullish pattern. Not only that, bonk did another triple bottom pattern, and triple bottom pattern is still a bullish pattern. Look at it here. This is the first bottom, this is the second bottom, and this is the third bottom. And the third bottom, bonk experienced a breakout from this upper part of this symmetric triangle, also experienced a retest, also being triple bottom. This is a confluence in the market. It's ideal to have confluence where big indicators of activity that asset is doing, it will help you to have a better understanding. But still, there's something I would like you guys to see from a macro perspective. This is bonk on a macro perspective. Irrespective of what any asset is doing, having a view of an asset from a macro perspective will help you to understand the asset better, be it stock, be it crypto, or even forex currency pair. Okay, look at this macro descending triangle. Meso have gotten broken, which will experience a push up around this region, but this region is still inside the region of macro descending triangle. We will confirm bonk bullish, extremely bullish, if bonk happens to break towards the upper part of this descending triangle. Ideally, this triangle is supposed to break towards this part, but you can see that bonk is having a reasonable support. This support that has been a resistance got broken around this region, retest here, retest here, retest here, and this is the fourth retest retesting this as a support in a macro view. We will experience a significant push up towards this region, upper part of this descending triangle. You will experience push towards this upper part. If we happen to see a break towards this upper part, we know that bond will experience extreme bullish activity. If bond happens to get here, we'll see a clear rejection and bond may continue trading towards the downside from the macro perspective. But for imminent activity, bond will express a reasonable push up. At least bond will double the value in a very short time. Let's expect that bond will be coming around 0.02. Okay, let's check total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. It will help us to understand what Bonk is doing. This is total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. In some of our previous videos where I have discussed this triangle that got broken here, and since then we'll be trading in a downtrend. But this downtrend formation, you can see there's a support that is playing a significant role. This support, you're having a reasonable support, and you can see another retest of this support. I said we will experience a break. If we will experience a break on upward of this downtrend that started from 29th of May 2024, if we will experience a break of this trend, that means altcoins will be experiencing bullish activity, including Bonk. But if total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum happens not to break this trend, hit here and retest, and we see a clear rejection, this support may hold or it may not hold. If it did hold, this downtrend will continue until we see a confirmation of this trend break. This trend must break. We'll see a break, possible a retest and push up, but we will see a break of this trend before we can be, yes, altcoin are moving toward the upside. Right now, I will trade Bonk, but I will be more careful on Bonk. I will have my target. I will have my target around this region until I confirm. This is my Bonk analysis. I'll have my target around this output of this symmetric triangle until I confirm a break around this region. Then I'll be more bullish on Bonk. Hopefully, total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum will still be experiencing that upper part of that trend break. Look at this trend. Hopefully, this activity may be happening at the same time. This is a confluence. Like I said, confluence will help you to stay profitable in the market and trade with confidence. This is Bonk liquidity. As you can see, Bonk did an interesting bottom, a V-shaped bottom here around this region, and Bonk is grabbing liquidity above us. Look at the first liquidity Bonk grab here. Look at the first liquidity Bonk grab here. Look at another liquidity Bonk is chasing, and hopefully Bonk will be grabbing this liquidity above us. Back to our Bonk technical analysis. This support, Bonk have a reasonable, interesting support here. And hopefully we will be seeing Bonk here. This is my take on Bonk. Make sure to do your own research.